Dear students, I had discussed in determinant. So, in the meaning, characteristics or features, and also properties of determinant, and also discussed in the, all minors and cofactors. So, in a determinant, we have to study the most important and vital points, the properties of a determinant. I also discussed in properties of a determinant. I reminded you the first property of a determinant. You know, if any row or a columns of a determinant 0, the value of a determinant is 0. If the first property, the second property of a determinant is if two rows or two columns of a determinant are identical or same value, the value of a determinant shows 0. Then, if all rows are converted into columns or columns are converted into rows, the value of a determinant remains same. If two rows or two columns of a determinants are interchanged, so that the value of determinant remains same, but sign will automatically changed. If the first case, the value of a determinant shows positive, then if two rows or two columns of determinants are interchanged, the value will be automatically negative or minus sign. Then the another properties of a determinant I discussed. If a constant term is multiplied any row or any columns of determinant, so the value of a determinant would be constant term and a multiplication of the value of determinant. Then, if any row or a columns of a determinants are divided or any elements are added or subtracted, then the value of determinant would be the division of addition of two determinant or subtraction of two determinant. So these are the properties of a determinant I also discussed. Then the next I discuss Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule based on linear equation where the unknown terms are given. So in such case we can get the Cramer's rule, the value of x and y. Then I am now to discuss the following factors of the value of a determinant by cofactor expansion method and a minus expansion method. The manner in determinant, you know, if any elements of its row and columns are eliminated, then its diagonal element indicates minor in order of 2. In order of 3, a minor can be obtained if a element of its row and columns are eliminated, then sub-square value of a determinant would be its minor. But now, how can we get the value of a determinant by minus expansion method? So, in order of 2, I also simply discuss note it and see it. Suppose A equal to 3, 4 and 2, 6. Hence, manner of 3 indicates if the row and the columns are eliminated, then manner of which is indicated as M11, that is equal to 6. We identify 3 as A11, the element of first row and first column. A11 indicates as 1 means first row and first column. So first row and first column it indicates 3. Then its row and columns are eliminated, the diagonal elements shows 6. So M11 indicates as 6. Then A12 means first row, second column. First row, second column exists 4. So that its row and columns are eliminated, then the value of M12 will be 2. So we have A11 2, M11 6, A12 4, then M12 2. The value of a determinant by the manner expansion method, I note it. A11 M11, A12 M12, that is equal to A11 indicates 3 into M11 indicates 6 minus A12 4, M12 2, that is equal to 3 into 6 18, 4 into 2 8 equal to 10. So that the value of a determinant is equal to 10 by the manual expansion method. So you can do in order of 3 the manual expansion method. At first you have to note and A11 the first row and first column of the element, A12 the first row and the second column of the element, A13 the first row and the third column of the element. Then you have to put the formula. So in this case A11 shows the minor M11, A12 shows the minor M12, A13 shows the minor M13. Then you have to put the formula A11 M11 minus A12 M12 plus A13 M13. So this result shows the value of a determinant in order 3. Then we go on the cofactor method. The manner we indicates as a M, so that the cofactor we can indicate C. Then manner expansion method, the value of a determinant is equal to the value of a determinant in cofactor method. Similar. आमे बर्तमान माइनर एक्सपेंशन मेथड रे डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू जहाँ पाइबा कोफैक्टर मेथड रे मध्य डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू मध्य से पाइबा ठीक से भाया करिया सेंदी A11 यदि इंडिकेट करिबा 2 3 A11 then first row first column 3. So C1 would be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, then first row first column, that is equal to 2. So if any power shows even number, the sign would be positive, plus sign. If the power shows odd number, the sign would be negative. So at first you have to identify A11 3, C11 minus to the power 1 plus 1 into its minor that is equal to 6, as minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 shows even number, the value will be 6. Then A12 indicates element of 4. First row, second column. First row, second column exists 4. A12 4. So this C12 we can do it minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. First row, second column into its minor or its minor, that is equal to 2. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 is an odd number, so that the sign will be minus into 2, that is equal to minus 2. Then put the formula by the cofactor expansion method. A11 C11 plus A12 C12. I mean minor expansion method re we have to put A11 minus A12 into M12 formula put करथिले, किंतु cofactor method रे A11 C11 plus A12 C12 ए formula put करिवा, that's the results the similar. Look it, A11 C11 3 into 6 plus A12 that is equal to 4 into C12 we have minus 2 into minus 2, that is equal to 3 into 6 are 18, that is equal to minus 8 into plus minus 8, 18 minus 8 equal to 10. Minor expansion method रे हमें determinant value पाइथिले 10, cofactor method में determinant value पाइले 10, similar. So in such cases you have to get in CSC exam or in your college exam in this formula. Find the value of determinant by minor expansion method, find the value of determinant by the cofactor expansion method. So in this case you have to practice this formula so that you can do in order of 3. A11 C11 plus A12 C12 plus A13 plus C13. Order of 3. You can find the value of determinant by the cofactor method. So in such case you can do it. Then go on the Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule based on linear equation. Suppose in 2x plus 3y equal to 8, 2x minus 3y equal to minus 4. So if you form in determinant, जदि तुम या को determinant formation में करिवो ताले at first you ignore unknown terms x and y, only you can eliminate x and y. The form of a determinant will be 2 3 2 minus 3. Suppose let d is equal to 2 3 2 minus 3, then the value of a determinant, if you put the vertical lines of d, it means it indicates the value of a determinant. The value of a determinant will be multiplication by difference between the cross multiplication of diagonal elements. Diagonal are 2 diagonal are minus 3, 3 diagonal are 2, then 3 into minus 3, minus 6, minus 12. That is called the value of determinant. Then dx, let it dx. So आमे ए जो वैल्यू टा पाइछे वैल्यू जगह एटा होची x र वैल्यू एटा होची x र वैल्यू तो ए x र value रे x value रे आमे constant term such as 8 minus 4 you have to put the constant term in place of 2 and 2 the first place, then it would be 8 minus 4 3 minus 3, then the value of determinant of a dx will be 8 into minus 3 minus 24 minus 3 into minus 4 that is equal to minus 12 minus 24 plus 12 that is equal to minus 12 that is equal to dx, then dy. So dy you can put the constant term in place of a y place, the coefficient of a y place, y रो coefficient जोड़ा लिखिछो से जगह रे तमे कोन करिवो ना से constant term टा पुट करिवो एवं let dy you name it dy, then dy 2 8 2 minus 4, then the value of determinant would be 2 into minus 4 minus 8 8 into 2 that is equal to minus 16 minus 8 minus 16 that is equal to minus 24 that is equal to dy, the value of determinant dy. So you get dx and dy, then you put the value of x. X is I also told मुझे आगु कही जे x is equal to dx by d, आम dx पाई जाइए dy पाई जाइए, तो x is equal to dx by d, dx केते पाइछे ना dx is equal to minus 12, d केते पाइछे minus 12, मतलब x is equal to dx by d that is equal to minus 12 by minus 12 that is equal to 1. dy is equal to by y is equal to dy by d that is equal to minus 24 by minus 12 that is equal to 2. Hence we have x is equal to 1 and then y is equal to 2. तो देखिबा एटा ठीक अछि कि भूल अछि, how can we know तो केमते हम जानिबा जे ठीक अछि भूल अछि ना जदी x आ y प्लेस रे जदी सेही वैल्यू टा पुट करिबा that would be the result. पुट करो आमे इक्वेशन दे जे कोन इटी 1 पुट करो इटी 2 पुट करिवो, इटी 1 पुट करले 2 इटी 2 पुट करले 6 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 that is true. इटी 1 पुट करले 2 इटी 2 पुट करले 3 into 2 is 6, 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4, that's the value. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, Carnot's rule. So in such case you can apply in order of 3. Then we go on the transpose of a determinant. So what is the transpose of a determinant? Very easy. Transpose of a determinant कहले हमें कौन बुझिबा ना जदि गोटे डिटरमिनेंट एलिमेंट आमे कहिसे डिटरमिनेंट हो गोटे स्क्वायर फॉर्म, गोटे स्क्वायर फॉर्म अर्थात रो रे जति एलिमेंट थिबो कॉलम रे जति एलिमेंट थिबो दैट इज कॉल्ड द डिटरमिनेंट. से कोजी ट्रांसपोज ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट कहले हमें कौन बुझिबा ना जदि रो गुडी को आमे कॉलम रे कन्वर्ट करिबा किबा कॉलम गुडी को जदि रो रे कन्वर्ट करिबा ताले एई कन्वर्ट करिवार डिटरमिनेंट को ट्रांसपोज ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट. Suppose a is equal to 1 3 4 5, so that transpose of a is equal to ताले 1 3 टा को रो रे अछि कॉलम कर दियो 1 3, 4 5 टा को कॉलम कर दियो 4 5, that is called transpose of a, और transpose is equal to 1 4 3 5. आगुर थिला कोन 1 3 4 5 असला को 1 4 3 5 रो से पड़ले that is called the transpose of a determinant. Then we discuss Saros theorem. The mathematician Saros very easily find the value of a determinant without expanding any elements. सारस कौन कले से डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू को आम जमी फर्मुला अनुसार डिटरमिनेंट मूल्य बाहर करुचे साइन गुड़िक आवश्यक पड़े सारस से कथा ना सारस कैन अप्लाई द थियोरम इन ऑर्डर ऑफ 3 बट नॉट ऑर्डर ऑफ 2 ऑर्डर ऑफ 2 में सारस का थियोरम एप्लिकेशन हो पारे टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट किंतु ऑर्डर ऑफ 3 रे वैल्यू ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट बाहर करा जाय पारे तर हाउ कैन वी फाइंड इट then Saros theorem suppose a equal to 1 2 3 2 3 4 3 4 5 that is the order of a determinant so in order of a determinant 3 we can by the Saros method मध्ये determinant value हम इजीली कर बिया तो वर्तमान को बिया ना Saros को order of 3 अनुसार जो एलिमेंट गुड रही छै हम सेमती एलिमेंट गुड रखि देले then you put the elements in order of 3 then you put the first column 1 2 3 1 2 3 then put 2 3 4 the second column put column then cut the vertical lines ये vertical lines कौन करो काटी दो ताप्रति डायगोनल को डायगोनल सहित आम ऊपर आड़ू कनेक्शन कर आसवा ताले केमती करबा 1 3 5 2 4 4 3 3 2 2 4 और 3 3 4 4 4 1 5 2 2 2 that is over एभली डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स गुड रखि साला परे तापर हम कोन करिया अप्लाई करिया प्रथमे कोन करिया अप्लाई करिया 1 3 5 ऊपर रो जो डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स गुड हम कोन करिया सेगुडा सब क्रमानुसार मल्टीप्लिकेशन करिया क्रमानुसार देन 1 3 5 प्लस 2 4 3 plus 3 2 4 ऊपर जो एलिमेंट्स को अच्छी डायगोनल अनुसार ताको आम कौन करिया ना मल्टीप्लिकेशन करिया तार डिफरेंस करिया तळ जो एलिमेंट गुडी को अच्छी तार मल्टीप्लिकेशन करी तार टोटलिंग करी मूल सहित सब्सट्रैक्शन कले जो रिजल्ट पाइबा से रिजल्ट होची द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट by Saros method. Tale look it 1 3 5 1 3 5 plus 2 4 3 2 4 3 plus 3 2 4 3 2 4 minus square bracket सो गलो ता प्रति तळ एलिमेंट गुडी को डायगोनल गुडी को मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो 3 3 3 3 3 plus 4 4 1 or 1 4 4 then 5 2 2 or 2 2 5 एको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करबो एवं आर एडिशन करबो आर एडिशन होला 5 3 15 plus 3 4 12 2 होला 24 plus 4 2 होला 8 8 3 जा 24 minus 3 3 that is equal to 27 1 4 4 that is equal to 16 plus 2 2 4 that is equal to 20 the sum of addition 63 the sum of addition also indicates 63 that is the value of determinant would be 0 by Saros application हमें जदि सिंपल जदि हमें से डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू पाइबा तार मध्य एटा होबो सेही 0 Saros theorem मध्य determinant value of 0 it only it can be applicable in order of 3 by Saros method तेणु कथा होची आमे ए जो डिटरमिनेंट जो सब पाइले किंतु सबसे बेसी वाइटल कथा होची प्रॉपर्टीज से प्रॉपर्टीज को एट फर्स्ट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रूव एवरी केसेस जेमति कहूचे फर्स्ट होची जे कोनसी रो कि कलम जब जीरो आसी तेणु आउ कौन से एक्सपांशन करने दरकार नहीं डायरेक्ट पुट करदेव यू कैन पुट इट द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट जीरो जदि दीटी रो कि दीटी कलम जब सिमिलर आसुव सेम वैल्यू आसुव द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट बी जीरो ये प्रूव होती है ये भी तुम प्रूव कर निजे प्रैक्टिकली देखिपर डियर स्टूडेंट्स I also discussed the determinant and also told you given some short questions regarding the determinants. Please note it and answer in your paper. The first question, very easy question. The shape of a determinant shows dash. The shape of a determinant shows dash. Suppose answer दीजिए rectangular, square and a triangle. आउटा दीजिए none of these. First question. Second question. Determinant is a dash. Next question. Order of 3 in determinant we have to find number of elements dash. Next question. In order of 2 we have to find number of elements in determinant dash. Then Sarrow's theorem can be applied in order of dash 1 2 3 4. Then Cramer's rule can be applied to find the value of x and y and z in dash equation. Bracket रखी quadratic equation, cross multiplicative equation, linear equation. So you have to note it and the answer of this question in your paper. How, dear students, I have covered the determinant. Then in next class I will discuss matrix. Thanks to all.